Hey guys, Ryan here. I'm in the 2018 limited Crosstrek today, and I just wanted to show you how easy it is to pair your phone. A lot of people, they leave the dealership, not our dealership hopefully, but some dealerships, without the salesperson teaching them how to pair their phone. So from your home screen here, you just hit the phone button. Oops. Hey. And it prompts you, do you want to add a device? Yes. And so from there, you go into your phone and to the Bluetooth setting. But yeah, once you do that, this is what it looks like. iPhone, phone ready. My phone is charged at 80%. I can use the keypad